Hi, I'm Alex, welcome to the channel and thanks for tuning in. So today's video is not going to be for everyone and I apologise, I don't want to waste your time. What I do promise however is the next two videos I upload will both definitely be worth watching. One of those is about a SPAC which I've seen covered a lot on YouTube but quite poorly, and a couple of things have been missed which are so important to the overall investment thesis, so you don't want to miss that. And the other video is about a SPAC which so far on YouTube has not had much coverage at all. So those two videos definitely worth your time and you don't want to miss those. However, this video we're going to be talking about a UK based broker. But the next two, definitely worth checking out. Smash that like button on the way out if you're that way inclined. Thank you. But in this video, we're going to be talking about Trading 212. Now, yes, they are a great broker. It's super easy to use. However, there are a couple of things that they really need to fix. And until those things are fixed, there's certain things which you, as a user of Trading 212, may have to do. So this is particularly relevant if you invest in SPACs through your Trading 212 account. However, it's still important whatever shares you're buying with your account. Before we get into it, if you're new to the channel and you like investor-related content, then smash that subscribe button. And I always ask, but please smash the like button, it's so helpful in pushing the channel to a wider audience. And particularly with a topic like this, I think it's important that everyone that does use Trading 212 is aware of this. But let's get straight into this. So ultimately the way it works, when you buy a stock with your Trading 212 account, and you look at your portfolio, you can see the shares you own. However, that's just the front end. In the back end, Trading 212 uses what are called nominee accounts. Now these are quite commonplace, and what it means is it just makes it easier for you to buy and sell shares without having to get involved with a lot of the paperwork. However, in practice what this means is that everyone who buys shares in Company A, for example, all those shares are pooled in one nominee account. You may own 10 shares, someone else may own 10 shares, someone else may own 10 shares, so that pool may have 30 shares of Company A in. Now there's clear records of how those are allocated to you, so that's all fine, there's no issues with that whatsoever. However, the challenge comes when there may be a corporate action or where there may be a shareholder vote. And that's why it's particularly important when we're talking about SPACs. One of the key stages of a SPAC before the ticker changes is the merger vote, where the shareholders are asked to vote on whether they will approve the transaction. So if you've invested in a SPAC and you own shares in that SPAC, you should definitely vote on whether you want to approve the merger or not. More often than not, the answer is going to be yes. You understand the target they're trying to merge with and it makes sense, it fits your investment thesis. So you should be voting yes. However, this is where it becomes a challenge with Trading 212. It's not the same as with many other online brokers where they'll send you an email saying that this action's come up and you need to take a decision. With Trading 212, you do need to be more proactive. So what you need to do is contact them, you need to reach out to them. So in Trading 212's terms and conditions, whilst they state they're not obligated to, they do state they may try and help you cast your votes. Now it's not difficult, it just takes a little bit of time, and what you need to do is go on the live chat and make the request that you can cast your vote for these certain stocks. Now this has been made even easier for you by a user on StockTwits called Murphy3842, and he's provided a specific text which is in the description below, which you can copy and send to them on the live chat. And this is assuming that you want to vote in favour for the various votes which are being held. Now this is super helpful, it saves you even more time. So if you own a SPAC and you haven't registered to vote and you're with Trading 212, copy that from the description below. I know he's also been doing a good job of putting it around in the YouTube comments, so it's really, really helpful. Thank you so much. Ultimately now, if you do invest in SPACs on Trading 212, there's no excuse not to be casting your votes. And look, whilst this is important for SPACs, given the increasing prevalence of them and the fact that at some point in the transaction, shareholders will always be asked to vote, when you own shares in any company, if it comes to a shareholder vote, your vote is important. So you should always be ready and able to cast your vote. So personally, I think this is something that Trading 212 need to fix and make a lot easier. If they want to become a top tier broker, it should all be automated. You shouldn't have to ask. On other broking platforms I use, and many of the other ones in the US, you get an email when you need to make this vote, or when there's any shareholder action which you need to do something about. And as we're seeing more and more SPACs being raised, and a greater interest from UK investors investing into SPACs, this is something that they definitely need to fix. I'm sure it will also be massively appreciated by whoever their employees are who are managing that online chat function. So look, I do like Trading 212. I think it's super easy, nice user interface, and it's very quick to get up and running on. Yes, it doesn't offer the same breadth and range of products that other brokers do. However, I can see why they have increased in popularity so much. So look, I know everyone watching this video probably already has a Trading 212 account, but if not, link in the description below to sign up. Shamelessly, if you sign up using that link and deposit money, you'll get a free share that's worth up to £100, and I will get one as well. But look, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please smash the like button. If you're new to the channel and you like investing related content, then smash that subscribe button. And as always, please let me know your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. There's always some really interesting debates going on, and I really find it so interesting. So please get involved. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.